What's up guys, Mark here from Techno Buffalo, and every single year around August or September, Samsung will invite several publications, tech bloggers, or YouTube channels to announce their new Galaxy Note smartphone. And this year is no exception. Today Samsung unveiled the Galaxy Note 9, and I'm here to tell you the truth about it and everything you need to know about it. But before we continue, make sure to go hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming Galaxy Note 9 coverage. Cool? Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to know about the Galaxy Note 9 that it has an updated S Pen, which now has Bluetooth capability and a battery that'll take around 40 seconds or so to charge. Now what this means for you is that you'll be able to use the S Pen as the shutter button for the camera, which is great if you love taking selfies, but you can also use it as a clicker if you're doing a presentation. Now the latency between the screen and the pen is also improved. I didn't really notice any input lag, which is a big deal if you're using the S Pen for drawing or jotting down notes. The Note 9 also comes in two colors that'll launch in the US, Ocean Blue and Lavender Purple. The Lavender Purple version has the same color matching S Pen as the phone. The Ocean Blue color, on the other hand, is the only variant with that unique yellow S Pen. There were also reports of a third color in this gold copper variant. Unfortunately, Samsung didn't tell us anything about it, although it could be an international model that just hasn't been announced yet. The dual 12 megapixel cameras in the back is similar to last year's Note 8. Spec-wise, it's all very similar. Both sensors are still optically stabilized. It has a wide angle and portrait lens with live focus. But what's new this year is intelligent camera, which uses artificial intelligence and algorithms that live inside the device that can automatically detect 20 different types of scenes, ranging from food to landscape to flowers, just to name a few. Now this new feature will apparently give you sharper and more color precise photos out of the camera. Now up front, the screen hasn't changed much. It's slightly bigger. It's now 6.4 inches compared to 6.3 inches. It's still QHD+, and it has that very vibrant Super AMOLED look to it. Now what hasn't changed though is that chin at the bottom. It's not completely bezel-less yet, and in typical Samsung fashion, they refuse to add a notch, which is totally fine by me. But it does end up making the phone feel ginormous when holding it in one hand. Around back, you'll notice that the fingerprint reader has now been moved under the camera, which is where it should have been in the first place. So thank you, Samsung. The Galaxy Note 9 also features some beefy specs. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. It also has 6GB of RAM for the 128GB variant and 8GB of RAM for the 512GB variant. It also includes a Cat.18 LTE modem, which apparently will give you blazing download and upload speeds up to 1.2 gigabits per second. Samsung's also packing a huge 4,000 mAh battery, which I'm really excited about because that just shows how confident Samsung is after the whole Note 7 fiasco. Samsung didn't say how long the battery will last, but we're really excited to put it through its paces once we have it in the studio. Samsung DeX is also a big push for the Galaxy Note 9 thanks to this USB-C adapter. It's essentially a USB-C on one end and HDMI on the other. I played with it for a few minutes and was super impressed with its performance and how seamless the experience was. Now, I'll probably never use this just because I have a laptop and a desktop PC, but if you're the kind of person who works from their phone, you'll really love this. Fortnite's also a big selling point for Samsung this year because they'll have Fortnite as an exclusive game for a few days, and will also include special skins if you download it from their game launcher app. So what's it gonna cost you? Well, the 128GB version with 6GB of RAM will retail for $1,000, and the 512GB variant with 8GB of RAM will be available for $1,250. You can start pre-ordering the Note 9 starting August 10 and will hit stores on August 24th. Now that you're all caught up, you know the truth about the Galaxy Note 9. I think that Samsung built an amazing powerhouse smartphone. Having 128GB as a base storage is awesome, and the fact that you can spec it up to 512GB and get 8GB of RAM is truly amazing. I wish the design was a little bit different. I think it still looks too similar to last year's Note 8. But what do you guys think of the Note 9? Let us know in the comments down below, start a conversation. We're definitely gonna do a lot more coverage on the Note 9, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you know when we upload those videos. Anyways, I'm Mark Linsanian from Techno Buffalo, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.